In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a Studio Ghibli theme dashboard in Notion using a free template. It's a quick way to create a beautiful workspace while keeping your tasks and notes organized. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Click Templates in the sidebar or import a Studio Ghibli theme template you've found from the Notion community. Once the template is added to your workspace, replace the sample content with your own tasks, notes, goals, and projects. Customize the dashboard by changing the cover image, page icon, and section titles. You can also add Ghibli-inspired wallpapers, icons, or illustrations that match your favorite films. Edit the existing databases or create new ones for your to-do list, calendar, habit tracker, journal, or study planner. Rearrange the sections so the dashboard fits your workflow. Continue personalizing the layout until it feels both functional and visually appealing, giving you a workspace that's easy to use every day. That's how to build a Studio Ghibli theme dashboard in Notion. Thanks for watching.